yung last video na ginawa ko, pinag-aralan natin about this what we call illustration of conic sections. Yan. So, nalaman ninyo kung paano nag-exist, paano nangyari, paano nagkaroon ng mga conic sections na yon. You have the circle, you have the ellipse, you have the hyperbola, and of course, the parabola. And today, we're going to learn what we call circle. Yan. So, malalaman natin ano bang ibig sabihin ng circle. And of course, ano yung mga different forms ng equation ng circle. Okay, paki-ready na yung mga ballpen ninyo, mga papel, mga notebooks ninyo. Yan. So, magte-take down notes po kayo habang nanonood ng aking video. At the same time, pag-solve kayo. Yan. Try to solve. And sabayan niyo ako sa pag-solve ng problem habang nanonood ng aking video about our lesson for today. Okay, class, enjoy learning! Okay, so ito yung mga lesson objectives natin. Okay, so at the end of this lesson, you should be able to A. Define a circle. B. Find the equation of a circle in a standard form centered at the origin 0, 0. And C. Find the equation of a circle in a standard form with center not at the origin. And lastly, D. Write the equation of a circle in general form. Yan. So, yan yung mga lesson objectives po natin. Next. Okay. So, ito yung ating circle, no? As you see, class, ang circle natin ay, of course, meron yang nasa gitnang point. Yan. Papangalanan natin later on ano yung tawag sa point na yan. Tignan na natin, ano kaya ang pwede nating makuha or yung observation natin about this point up to all these points. Ito kasing ating circle, itong curve na ito, composed of points yung mga yan. Nagkakadikit-dikit ng mga points yan. Okay? So, ano napapansin niyo sa mga points na ito? Nagkakadikit-dikit na points yan, kaya nga naging curve yan. Ano napapansin ninyo dito sa mga points na yan, dito sa ating point na nasa gitna? Okay? So, hindi ko na kayo papatapusin. Yan. So, if we're going to measure, no? So, pwedeng gumamit tayo ng ruler. So, hindi ko na pero ipapakita yun sa inyo. We're going to measure the distance or the length nitong ating segment from this point up to this point yung nasa gitna. Yung measurement nito ay parehas lang sa measurement kung kukuha tayo ng point dito. Yan, from this point. Parehas lang. They are equal. So, kahit anong point ang kunin natin dyan sa circle, yung kanilang distance from this point, yung nasa gitna, ay pare-parehas. Yan po ang pinaka characteristic, no? At dyan din ang pagkukuhanan natin ng definition ng circle. Yan. So, based on our observation, what do you think is the definition of a circle? What do you think? Okay, so this is the definition of a circle. A circle consists of all points. So tama nga naman. This is consists of all points. Points po yan lahat. No. On the plane, equidistant. Pag sinabi nating equidistant, pare-parehas ng distance. Yan nakita ka natin kanina. From a fixed point. Ito po yung fixed point. Tawag po dyan, that is our center. Yan, I hope class clear sa inyo yon, no? So again, this point, papangalanan natin, this is the center. And this point is equidistant to all the points on the circle. Yan. At ano naman ang tawag natin dun sa distance from the center to any point? Itong distance na to, itong segment na to. Ang tawag po natin dito, that is the what we call radius. Yan, pag maraming radius in as plural niya is radii. Yan. Okay? So we're done defining a circle. Next. Yan, so next na tayo. Finding the equation of a circle. Okay, so finding the equation of a circle. Ang circle po ay may equation. Yan, para siyang mga linear function, quadratic function, polynomial function, rational functions, and so on. So, mayroon ding equation po ang circle. The distance, yan, so distance formula, can be used to find the equation of a circle with radius r. Yan. If the radius r has endpoints hk and point xy, yan, then, sige, para makita natin yung sinasabi niyang mga center, mga pxy, try nating mag-draw. Mag-draw tayo ng gusto ko orange. Mag-draw tayo ng Cartesian coordinate plane. Pagpasensyahan nyo ng aking drawing. And this is our Cartesian coordinate plane. And a plane has, of course, mayroon siyang y-axis and x-axis. And suppose we have a circle. Gusto ko ang kulay ng circle ko ay blue. So, mayroon akong circle. Pagpasensyahan nyo na rin ang aking circle. Yan. Okay. I-cut natin, no? Kuha na lang ako ng shape ng circle dito. This one. Suppose that is my circle. Okay. Yan. So, the distance formula can be used to find the equation of a circle with radius r. If the radius r has endpoints chk and pxy, then yung then, susunod pa yung ating derivation kasi we are going to derive the equation of a circle. Okay, so alam natin that a circle has of course center. Yung suppose this is the center. And ito na lang yung C or center, no, yung HK. So we have here the center, the point. Yung ating x and y coordinate ng ating center, HK. And suppose this is the point P, X, Y. Yan. And of course, we're going to connect this point. And we have the radius R. Yan, nakuha nyo? Sana nakuha nyo, no? Okay. Okay, so suppose these are our center, HK, and a point, XY. And the distance between the center and the point is the R, the radius. And we're going to derive the equation of a circle using the distance formula. Yan. So, sir, ano ba yung distance formula na yan? Ano ba? Paano ba? Ano ba itsura niyan? Okay, so sa mga hindi na nakakaalala, ano ba itsura ng distance formula? Distance formula is a formula for us to get the distance between 2 points. And the distance formula is given us by if we have d denoted as the distance, this is just the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 and square po sila. Yan. Okay, so distance. Our distance is the r. The distance between the 2 points. We have 2 points here. R. So r yan. Okay, so square root. Okay, so what is our x sub 2? So para hindi kayo malito, lagyan ko na lang. Okay. Suppose this is our x sub 1. This is our y sub 1. And this is our x sub 2, y sub 2. Yan, para hindi kayo malito. And we're just going to plug in those values dito sa ating formula. So what is our x sub 2? Our x sub 2 is x. What is our x sub 1? H. Square natin. Plus. What is our y sub 2? Y. Y sub 1 is k. Yan. So we have here this resulting equation, but mas maganda kung ayusin natin, no? I-manipulate natin how to remove the radical sign, the square root. Oh, so just to remove that, we're just going to square both sides. Square nyo rin ito. So this will become 1 times 2 is r squared. So cancel na po. Alis na po yung ating radical sign. Okay? Cancel po yan. Ang natira na lang, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Okay. So we have x, ayusin natin, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Yun po. So this is the resulting equation is the equation of our circle. And this is actually the standard form. Written in standard form. No, equation po siya ng circle na nakasulat po sa standard form. Okay, so I hope malinaw po yung pag-derive natin ng equation ng circle. Yan, so ang gagawin natin, of course, yan, so tingnan natin, ano ba yung equation ng circle na nakasentro sa origin? Okay, another drawing. Yan, so gusto ko mag-drawing para ma-illustrate natin. Sa math kasi, if you have a problem, kailangan illustrate natin para maintindihan natin nasaan yan. Nasaan yung nakalagay sa problem. Okay. And again, another circle. Buti na lang may ganitong circle, no? Straight yung circle natin. What I mean is, maganda yung pagkakabilog. Okay. And, of course, centered po. Ang center po niya ay nasa 0, 0. Okay, so we have here the center. Ito po yung center niya. 0, 0, origin. It's the origin. Again, this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Yan. So, equation of a circle centered at 0, 0. In the standard form of equation of a circle, again, what is the standard form kanina? We have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. If h is 0 and k is 0, then, as you see, pagka yung ating h, yung x coordinate, saan ba galing yung h na yan? Galing po yun sa center. ang ating center kasi, itong center, no, meron siyang x-coordinate and y-coordinate. Of course, kasi isa siyang point. This is your x-coordinate. This is your y-coordinate. O, pag sabi dyan, pagka ang h mo daw ay 0, so 0 yan, at ang k mo ay 0, so ibig sabihin, lahat ng h dito at lahat ng k dito ay 0. So, x minus 0 squared is x squared. Diba? Plus, y minus 0 squared is y squared is equal to r squared. Ganun lang po. So, this is the standard form of a circle if the center is 0, 0. Or origin yung center. Yan. So, ang ano lang natin dito is yung value ng r. Ito, fixed na yan. X squared plus y squared, fixed na po yan. Ang ano lang natin, kung ano yung value ng r, dito tayo magkakaroon ng variation, mababago dito. But this one, fixed na po yan if centered po sa 0, 0 yung ating circle. Okay? So, ganun lang. Siguro, try to solve example. So, we have example number 1. Write the equation of a circle in standard form with radius 3 and center at 0, 0. Yan. So, since our center is 0, 0, meaning the value of our h is 0 and the value of our k is 0. Or, kahit hindi ka na bumalik dun sa ating previous equation, yung standard form na mayroon pang h and k, basta alam natin na ang center ay 0, 0, ang gamitin nyo na lang na equation, ito na lang. Kasi nga sabi ko sa inyo kanina, fixed na po yan. So, equal yan sa r squared. Ano ba yung value ng r? R is 3. I-plug in nyo na lang yung value ng r. So, r is 3. So, 3 squared na yan. So, x squared plus y squared is, 3 squared is 9. Ganun lang po. So, this is the equation of the circle on example number 1. Ganun lang kadali. Napakadali, di ba? Next, write the equation of a circle in standard form with radius 5 and center at 0, 0. 0, 0 na naman. Wala na tayong problema dyan. Just use this equation, yung formula. X squared plus y squared is equal to, what is our r? 5. So, 5 squared. Baka hindi nyo pa alam kung paano mag-squared, no? Ibig sabihin ng 5 squared, 5 times 5. No, kasi dalawang beses. May 2 tayo dyan, dalawang beses nating, ang 2 natin, this is the exponent, ibig sabihin, dalawang beses natin i-multiply yung base. So, 5 times 5, that is 25. See? This is our equation. Next, what if our circle is not centered at the origin? Di ba? Kanina, centered at the origin, 0, 0. Today, our circle is not centered at the origin. Napakadali din. All you have to do is to, of course, given h, the value of h is this one. This is our h and k. Saan nakukuha yan? Of course, sa ating center. H is 3. Our k is negative 5. And of course, our r is 6. So, using the equation, the standard form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. What is our, yung x po natin and y po natin, as is po yan, dalawang yan ha. Baka palitan nyo yan. X and y pa rin ang nakikita dyan. Ang mawawala lang dyan kasi papalitan natin ng values yung h, k, and r. Sana malinaw yon. Okay, so x minus h is 3 plus y minus k is negative 5 equal yan sa r is 6 squared. Okay, sir, okay na po ba yan? Hindi pa po. Bakit? Kasi mayroon pang nagtabing minus sa negative. Kaya ito, kailangan pa nating kunin yung value ng 6 squared. Minus 3 squared plus. Pagka minus and negative, ito yung copy, change. So, we're going to change this one. Copy lang itong y. Palitan natin yung minus magiging positive, magiging plus sa magiging positive. So, magiging plus na tayo. So, y plus 5. Again, copy, change. Ilagay ko dito. Kinopya natin ito. Yung rules of addition and subtraction of integers. Just simply copy this one. So, rules in subtracting integers. Just copy this. And ito, papalitan from minus, magiging plus. From negative, magiging positive. Kaya nga, copy, change. Gets nyo? Copy the sign of this. Change this. And change this also. Okay, sana nga. Kung hindi, balitaan nyo ako kung bakit hindi. Okay, 6 squared. 6 times 6 is 36. O, ganun lang po. Ito na yung ating equation ng ating circle in standard form. Yan. So, napakadali, no? Okay, next. Example number 4. Write the equation of a circle centered at negative 1, negative 4, and of course with radius square root of 7. Okay? So same process. Ang given po natin, h is negative 1. Itong ating sa center. X coordinate ng center. K is negative 4. And of course, our R is square root of 7. Okay. So, using again the standard form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Okay, x, what is our h is negative 1 squared. And our k is negative 4 squared plus our r is square root of, remove that one. Okay. Equals square root of 7 squared. So, copy, change. So, this will become plus and positive. This one, plus and positive. So, we have x plus 1 squared plus y plus 4 squared. So, cancel na po natin yan. We have 7. So, this is the equation of the circle. Okay? Okay, so we are done with the standard form of a circle. Now, next is, of course, what is the general form of a circle? Yan. So, the general form of a circle is given us by, we have this one as a x squared plus, of course, we have ay squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. Where a is not equal to 0. Yan. That is the general form of a circle. Wherein our a, our d, our e, and our f are, of course, they are real numbers, no? Given that a must not be equal to 0. Bawal daw 0 ito. Pag 0 yan, hindi na siya circle. Okay, so ganun po ang itsura ng ating general form. Yan. So, example number 5. Ang gagawin natin, kukunin natin yung equation ng circle in standard form and then i-rewrite natin sa general form, yung kanina. Okay? So, identify the center and the radius of the circle with the equation x squared plus y squared minus 4x is equal to 5. Yan. Okay. So, given po tayo ng equation ng circle in general form. And identify natin yung radius. Yan. So, medyo challenging po yun, no? Okay. Before that, no? So, before that muna, balikan natin yung kanina. Paano pag given tayo ng x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared is equal to 25. Balikan natin yung kanina. Hindi pa ito yung solution niya, no? Ano yung value ng center tsaka radius? Yan. Ano yung h? Ang h po natin, kapag minus, ang h po natin, positive 1. Kasi based dun sa formula. Kapag plus naman ito, ang k natin ay negative. Kuha nyo yun. Sana. At ang ating r, di ba r squared ito? Para makuha yung r, you're just going to square root yung nandito, yung nandito sa 25. So, our r is 5. Okay ba? So, ganun yun, ha? Okay, I hope cleared po yun. Erase po natin. So, ganun po yun, ha? Okay, next. Balik tayo dun sa ating problem. Paano ba ito? Medyo mahirap, no? Hindi kasi siya nakalagay sa standard form. Kung nakalagay sana, ganun lang sa ginawa natin kanina. Okay, ilagay natin yung ating equation dito. X squared plus y squared minus 4x is equal to 5. Sir, paano po yan? Okay, babalikan natin yung skills natin in completing the square. Yan. So, ang unang gagawin, makinig, no? Listen and watch carefully. Lahat ng may variable na x, yung x squared at saka yung x lang, lahat sila pagtabihin. Ganon din yung mga may y. So, we have x squared minus 4x. O, pinagtabi ko yung dalawa kasi may x sila. Plus y squared. Ito wala ko itatabi kasi walang y. Equals, isa lang ang y, yung may y, yung y squared lang. Itong constant, dyan lang sa kanan. Sana nakuha nyo yun, no? Okay, we're going to apply the completing the square. Paano natin i-complete itong x squared minus 4x? Gagawin natin siyang perfect square trinomial. Magpa-plus lang ako ng third term. Itong y squared, wag nyo nang i-complete the square yan. Kasi, mag-isa lang niya eh. So, 5, kung ano yung inad ko doon, ganun din ang i-add ko sa kanan. Nakuha? Sana. I-divide natin yung negative 4. Negative 4, i-divide parati po sa 2. Parati yan. So, yung ating, nandito yung ating numerical coefficient ng ating x, i-divide parati sa 2. Pagkatapos, squared nyo. Very clear po yan. Sana yan. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Squared nyo, that is negative 2 times negative 2. That is positive 4. So, we have here, positive 4. Kung anong in-add natin dito, ganun din ang i-add dito sa kanan. Okay? I hope that is clear. Okay, next. Since this is already a perfect square trinomial, pag ilalagay natin to as a square of binomial, you're just going to square root nitong x squared or just copy the x and copy the operation and square root ng 4 is 2. And then square nyo. Once again, all you have to do is to square root of this, x squared. So that is x. Copy the operation. Square root ng third term, which is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. And then square nyo. Kasi square of binomial na siya. Plus, y squared is equal to 5 plus 4. That is 9. Okay, so I hope that is clear. Identify the center. What is the center? Of course, our center is, again, pag minus, positive. Pag, ito, walang nakatabing mga constant dyan, no? Y squared lang. Parang balik tayo dun sa 0, 0. So, our k is 0. And of course, our r is square root of 9. That is 3. That is our answer. The center of the circle is 2, 0. And the radius of the circle is 3. Yan. So, medyo may kahirapan siya. Pero pagka na-master po ninyo yung pag-completing the square, madali na. Okay? Okay, so next example. Example number 6. I will just copy the problem. Example number 6. Okay. We're going to write this x minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared is equal to 9. Yan. So this time, kakaiba naman. Ang gagawin natin is to write the equation of a circle in standard form to general form. At paano natin gagawin yan? Ano ba itsura ulit ng general form? Okay, let us see again. Okay, so the general form of the equation of a circle is given us by a x squared plus ay squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. Okay? Wherein a must not be equal to 0. Diba? Dun sa definition ng general form of the equation of a circle. Yan. Paano natin gagawin itong equation na ito into this form? Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, kopyahin natin x minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared is equal to 9. Yan. Ang gagawin lang natin, expand natin ito. Paano natin expand itong x minus 2 squared? Of course, ang ibig sabihin kasi ng x minus 2 squared, i-multiply lang natin yung x minus 2 dalawang beses. So, we can have x minus 2 times x minus 2 plus, ganito rin yan, y plus 1 times y plus 1 equal yan sa 9. Okay? And then, FOIL method, x times x is x squared kasi may 1 dyan, may 1 na exponent dun si x, 1 plus 1, that is 2. And x times negative 2, that is negative 2x. Negative 2 times x, negative 2x also. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Okay, doon naman tayo sa kabila. Y times y is y squared din. Y times 1 is, of course, 1 times y is y. And 1 times y again is y also. Plus 1 times 1 is 1. Equal yan, kopyahin natin si 9. Okay? So as you see, x squared, negative 2x minus 2x is, that is negative 4x plus 4. Okay. Plus y squared, y plus y, that is 1y plus 1y may nakalagay po dyan na 1 as numerical coefficient of y. 1 plus 1 is 2y plus 1 equals 9. Okay, so we have this one. Lahat ng mga x squared tsaka lahat yung may squared pagtabihin. Kasi ganun nga yung nandito. And isunod natin yung may x, so negative 4x. And may y plus 2y. 4 plus 1 is 5. Equal yan sa 9. Okay? So, transpose na lang natin si 9. Yan. Transpose ko sa kabila. Ito, 0 na ang natira dyan sa right side. So, x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y plus 5 minus 9 equals 0. Okay, so ibig sabihin, our final answer would be x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y 5 minus 9. Copy, change. So nag-add tayo ng magkaibang sign. I-minus natin. And copy the sign of the bigger. So 9 minus 5, that is 4. Sorry. 9 minus 5 is 4, pero mas malaki yung negative. So, negative ang sign natin. That is negative 4 equals 0. So, this is your equation in general form. Okay? And so, as you see, this is the solution in, of course, or the process in writing the equation of a circle in a standard form to general form. Yan. Okay, pero dun sa mga magaling sa special products, dito sa part na ito, yan, yung pag-foil ko kanina, instead of foil method, you can use special product, yung square of a binomial. Parehas lang naman, mas mabilis pero paano ba gawin itong paano expand itong square of a binomial? Just copy the first term, yung x, and then square natin para ito yung first term. And of course, copy the operation minus. And parating may times 2. 2 yan. Parating may 2 dyan. Multiply to the first term, which is x, and to the second term, or the last term, which is 2. And always plus dito. And square natin yung last term. So, itong yan ay magiging x squared minus 2 times 2 is 4, copy x, plus 2 squared is 4, which is the same lang doon sa ating, nandito na tayo agad, dito sa part na yan. Diba? So, kung hindi kayo, or kung marunong kayo sa special products, mas mabilis kaysa dadaan pa tayo sa foil method. Okay? So, that's it. That's how we write the equation of a circle in a standard form to general form. Yan. So, i-summarize natin, no, yung napag-aralan natin dun sa lesson. Okay, so, circle, number 1, circle consists of all points on the plane equidistant from a fixed point called the center. The distance from the center to any point on the circle is constant and is called the radius of the circle. Yan. So, next one, number 2. The standard form of the equation of a circle with center HK and radius R is, ito po yon, x minus h squared. Huwag niyong kakalimutan yan. Tandaan niyo po ito, ha? Para hindi tayo mahirapang mag-solve. Yan. That is the standard form with center HK. Paano naman kapag 0, 0 yung center? We have, okay, so we have x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. And that is the standard form when the center is origin. Okay, next, the general form of a circle naman. We have ax squared plus ay squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0, where of course class A must not be equal to 0. Yan. Okay? So, yan po. Sana natuto po kayo in this video. Okay, ang reference po natin, a self-learning module of coming from Division of City Schools, Manila, the pre-calculus. Okay, thank you. Thank you for this reference. Okay, so thank you. Sana natuto po kayo. And huwag kakalimutan again na mag-solve po kayo. Kasi sa mathematics, pagka nanonood lang, yung nakikinig ka lang sa teacher, nanonood habang nagdi-discuss ang teacher, wala ka matututunan pag gano'n. Ang gagawin po ay mag-solve po kayo ng problems. And the more problems you solve, yun din po ang basihan na magiging mas magaling na kayo sa math. Ganun po yun. Okay. Thank you.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching this video. God bless.